Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम करेंगे रैशनल नंबर का पार्ट 7, जिसमें हम लोग पढ़ेंगे मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ रैशनल नंबर्स। हम लोग जैसा कि जानते हैं, हम लोग कोई भी दो रैशनल नंबर्स लेंगे, सपोज a बाय बी एंड c बाय डी। ये फर्स्ट रैशनल नंबर एंड ये सेकंड रैशनल नंबर है। इसको हम लोग कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे मल्टीप्लिकेशन टर्म में? इसको हम लोग ऐसे लिख सकते हैं a बाय बी इंटू सी बाय डी, विच इज इक्वल्स टू, we'll multiply both the numerators first, that is a into c, by then both the denominators, that is b into d. For example, 2 by 3 into minus 5 by 7. Here again we'll find first multiply the numerators, that is 2 into minus 5 by 3 into 7. 2 into minus 5 is minus 10 and 3 into 7 gives us the result as 21. So this is the value of multiplication in a rational number. Now let us do the properties of multiplication of rational numbers. First is the closure property, which we have already read in the previous videos. Next is commutative property, associative law. Next is existence of multiplicative identity. In this, we can say 1 is the multiplicative identity, as if we multiply any number to 1, it gives us the same result. Next is existence of multiplicative inverse. Every non-zero rational number, that is a by b, its multiplicative inverse is b by a. That means if we write a by b, it converts as b by a. Thus we can say a by b into b by a equals to b by a into a by b, gives the result as 1. Let's understand this with an example. First we will take the reciprocal of 5 by 7, that is 7 by 5. We can write 5 by 7 into 7 by 5. After cutting this, the result comes 1. Similarly, we can write its alternative, that is 7 by 5 into 5 by 7. This will also give us the result as 1. So this both are equal, both gives the same result as 1. Come the distributive law of multiplication over addition, that is a by b into c by d plus e by f. So we can part it into 2, that is first we will multiply this into this, then this into this. We can write this like this: a by b into c by d plus a by b into e by f. Next come the multiplicative property of 0. Every rational number multiplied with 0 gives 0. This we have been read from the smaller classes. If we multiply any number to 0, it gives the same result, that is 0. Now let us start the exercise 1D of R.S. Agarwal. First question is 3 by 5 into minus 7 by 8. This will multiply first, write the numerators, that is 3 and then minus 7. As this is sign minus, so we will give the bracket. Then we will write the denominator, that is 5 and 8 in this way. Then 3 into minus 7, that gives us the result as 21, minus 21, and 5 by 8 as 40. Next question is minus 6 by 11 into minus 5 by 3. Here again we can see both the signs are minus, so minus minus becomes plus. So minus 6 into minus 5 gives us the result as 30, and 11 and 3 gives us the result as 33. Next question is 5 by minus 18 minus 9 by 20. We need to convert the denominator as positive. So we will write minus 5 by 18 into minus 9 by 20. This will give us minus 5 into minus 9. Both are, the sign is minus, so result will be 45, that is positive. Then 18 into 20 gives us the result as 360. This is not in the standard form, so we need to convert it into standard form. We will cut it, so the result will be ultimately 9 by 72. Next question is minus 7 by 6 into 24. Here we can see 24 is the number, so convert it into rational form. We will write here as the denominator 1, that is minus 7 by 6 into 24 by 1. we'll multiply minus 7 into 24, minus 7 into 24 and 6 into 1, which will equals to 6. So 168 by 6 will cut it. The result is 28. The result is minus 28. Next question is minus 13 by 5 into minus 10. Here again the denominator is 1. Again we'll write minus 13 by 5 into minus 10 by 1, that is equals to minus 13 into minus 10 by LCM as 5. Minus 13 into 10 gives a positive number, that is 130 by 5. Again we'll cut it. The result is 26. Next question is 7 by 24 into minus 48. We'll cut it as this is divisible. So the result will be, we'll cut it by 12. So result will be 2 and minus 4. So we'll write 7 into minus 4 by 2. Then again this we can cut this. We can write 7 into minus 2. So the result is minus 14. Next question is verify the following. 3 by 7 into minus 5 by 9 equals to minus 5 by 9 into 3 by 7. This question is according to the commutative law. So as we know, this law is applies on multiplication, but again the question is given as verify the following, so we have to verify. So first we will take the LHS part, that is 3 by 7 into minus 5 by 9. We will solve it. 3 into minus 5 will give us minus 15, and 7 by 9 will give us 63 in the LHS part. Now we will do the RHS part, that is minus 5 by 9 into 3 by 7. Minus 5 into 3 will also give us minus 15, and 9 into 7 will give us 63. So here we can say LHS equals to RHS, hence verified. Next question is minus 8 into minus 13 by 12 equals to minus 13 by 12 into minus 8. We have to verify it. First we will take again the LHS part, that is minus 8 into minus 13 by 12. We can cut it, so we'll cut the, here it is left minus 2 and here 3. We'll cut it by 4. Then the left out is minus 2 into minus 13 by 3. The result is 26 by 3 in the LHS part. Now we'll solve the RHS part, that is minus 13 by 12 into minus 8. Again we'll cut this by 4, that is here again minus 2 and 3. Minus 13 into minus 2 by 3 will again give us the result as 26 by 3 into RHS part. Hence we can say that LHS equals to RHS. Next is verify the following. 5 by 7 into 12 by 13 into 7 by 18, which gives us the result as 5 by 7 into 12 by 13 into 7 by 8. This is again a property, that is associative law, which is applicable in multiplication. Now we have to verify it. First we will take the LHS part. We will take the LHS part, that is 5 into 12 by 7 into 13 into 7 by 18. 5 into 12 is 60, 7 into 13 is 91. Again we will write the same 7 into 18. Now we will multiply this both. 60 into 7, which gives us 420, and 91 into 8 gives us 728. This is the LHS part. Now we will do the RHS part, that is 5 by 7 into 12 into 7 by 13 into 8. 12 into 7 gives us 84, and 13 into 8 gives us 104. Again we will multiply 5 into 84. This will give us 420, and 7 into 104 gives us, therefore we get as 420 by 728 as the RHS part. Therefore LHS equals to RHS proved. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my video. This will keep me motivated. Thank you.